Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be drawing Batman from the 2024 animated series, Batman Caped Crusader. This guide consists of 16 steps, and I'll walk you through each one. But before we get started, I want to mention that I now offer unique hand-drawn coloring pages that you can purchase via the link in the description. Since this video is short, I'd appreciate it if you watch until the end, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment. If you prefer a text version of this guide, complete with high-quality images, there's a link in the description. With this text guide, you won't need to pause the video at each step, as every step is shown in detail. Now let's start drawing our Batman. The first two steps involve creating a basic sketch. Use light pencil strokes so you can easily erase them later. Step by step, we'll add details based on this foundation. Congratulations on nearly completing your Batman Caped Crusader drawing. Now erase the basic sketch lines. You can ink the drawing with a pen, and once the ink is dry, erase the pencil lines for a crisp look. Feel free to add color if you'd like. I hope you enjoyed this guide. Don't forget to check out the unique hand-drawn coloring pages on my site, and remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like and comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.